Hi everyone, my name is Somaya. I work as an HR professional with a corporate firm, and I am also an L&D practitioner. This 4 days of rigorous training has got my fundamentals cleared. The L&D practice, being an L&D practitioner, I have always been into the theoretical part of the training and not more of the practical part. But this 4 days of training has just brought me is making me to achieve my L&D professional goal, and I really thank ACT and Dr. Sanjeev and training qualifications of UK for certifying us, because before the certification and before registering in the course we had prerequisites to be done, which let us know our level, and that means what is required and what is at what level we are. So I really thank Dr. Sanjeev and ACT for delivering the course.
If you find the video helpful, please share with your friends after hitting the like button. Remember to subscribe to our channel for regular updates.